How to host our spaces on X app, formerly known as Twitter. I'm going to guide you through the process on how to do it. Let's get started. First of all, on your phone, head over to the X app. After you're in the app, make sure that you are logged in with your account. Now, in order to host a space on your X account, you need to go to your profile settings, tap on your profile icon in the top left, select the spaces options from this. Now that you're in the spaces page, Spaces basically is a live audio conversations similar to a podcast or a live roundtable discussions. So in order to host a spaces, over here in the space at the bottom right, you can see this mic option. Tap on this. You'll be prompted to just create your space page. You can enter the topic of your discussions and give a name to your spaces. Once you do that, you can add further topics. If you want to record space, you can enable this feature. If you want to schedule this space for another time, you can tap on this clock icon. You can select the date and time from here. Once you're done configuring your space, you can tap on the start your space option. You need to turn on the mic. You can follow along the process. It will be visible to your followers, and in the spaces page, people can join your spaces and you can have discussions. So that's how you can easily host a space on X app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.